Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common and frustrating problem, a broken bolt stuck in your workpiece. Whether it's a DIY project, car repair, or something around the house, a broken bolt can halt everything. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you some tried and true methods for getting that broken bolt out. So let's dive in. Step 1, prepare your tools. First, let's make sure we have the right tools on hand. You'll need penetrating oil, a wrench, possibly a screw extractor set, a power drill, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. Using the right tools can make this process a lot easier. Step 2, apply penetrating oil. Start by applying penetrating oil to the broken bolt and the area surrounding it. Penetrating oil helps loosen any rust or debris that's causing the bolt to stick. Let the oil sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to work its magic. If the bolt is really stuck, you might even leave it for an hour or more. Step 3, try using locking pliers or a wrench. If there's any part of the broken bolt sticking out, try using locking pliers or a wrench to grip it. Twist counterclockwise to see if you can unscrew it. This method can sometimes get the job done without any drilling. Step 4, drill a small hole for a screw extractor. If gripping doesn't work, it's time to drill. Use a power drill with a small bit to carefully drill a hole into the center of the broken bolt. Start with a smaller bit to create a guide hole, then use a larger bit based on the size of your extractor. Step 5, use a screw extractor. Now, take your screw extractor, insert it into the drilled hole. Turn it counterclockwise gently. An extractor is designed to grip the broken bolt as you twist, allowing you to remove it. Be patient, as applying too much pressure can break the extractor itself. Step 6, heat and cool method if needed. If the bolt is still stuck, try using heat. Carefully apply a heat gun or blowtorch on the area of the bolt, which can help loosen it by expanding the surrounding metal. Once it's heated, cool it rapidly with some ice or a cooling spray, which may help break the bond. Step 7, cleanup. After the bolt is removed, clean out the area with a brush to remove any debris or metal shavings. You want to leave it as clean as possible before inserting a new bolt or finishing your project. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully removed that broken bolt. Whether you use an extractor, heat, or good old elbow grease, you now have the skills to handle broken bolts in the future. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips, and drop any questions or comments below.